I always share with people. Now time come. You see, we should think, firstly, humanity, well-being of humanity. And then, you see, I think century-old concept, we and they. And between we and they, strong barrier. That is the basis of our sort of concept of violence. Through violent way, destroy them. We gain victory. Now today's reality. Now that no longer. Entire world heavily interdependent. So the reality itself now telling us, now we should act as a sort of same human being, or act as the interest for global interest, and on the basis of clear understanding, oneness of humanity. Now I think time comes, we must develop big we. Entire world is part of we, part of me. So through that way, see, you can develop genuine sense of concern of their well-being. So that, firstly, you see, more sense of concern of others' well-being. You yourself gain more self-confidence. With sort of concept or belief, all human beings, 7 billion human beings, we are same. They also have right to overcome suffering, to achieve happy life. There is no basis to cheat, to bully, to exploit, because you really take care about their well-being. So through that way, you get more self-confidence, more inner strength. That brings inner peace.